Hey guys, so for this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Notion with Google Sheets. So over here at the top where it says extensions, click on it, then click on add-ons, get add-ons. Then over here at the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for coefficient. And then you just want to go ahead and download this specific extension. And after you've downloaded, just close this window. Then you want to go ahead and click on extension again. Then you want to click on the extension, then click on launch. And when it's your first time to download this extension, it will ask you for your name and your job position. So you just want to go ahead and fill that information and then you will be brought to this page. And after that, just click on import from. Then you want to scroll down and look for Notion. Then just click on it. Then click on authorize. And then you want to go ahead and select the pages that you want to import from Notion to Google Sheets. Then click on allow access. And after that, you can just go ahead and click on from tables and columns. And then over here at the side, you will see your pages from Notion, and you can go ahead and select any of those to import here in Google Sheets. Then it will give you a preview of your table. Then just click on import. Then you just want to wait for it for a few moments as it imports the data. And after a few moments, your table from Notion will now appear here in Google Sheets. So that's it. Thanks for watching.